So if you've been anywhere around the internet, you've probably heard about Chat GPT or some form of AI. Now, if you are smart in sales, you're thinking, geez, how can I use that tool to make me more effective? Well, AI is not going to pick up the phone or send an email for you, but what it will do is really help you be prepared when you go reach out to new companies or industries that maybe you're not that familiar with. When you write a prompt in about, hey, tell me all the key issues in this industry, it will come up and tell you 1, 2, 3, 4 what those issues are. You can take that so that when you reach out to somebody in that industry and you can say, hey, Pat, I don't know if you're having any of these problems, problem 1, problem 2, problem 3, but a lot of my people we're talking to say they're having them and they would like that solved. Right? It just allows you to be the expert instead of just going, hey, have I got a deal for you? Or hey, have I got a solution for you? Right? It just makes you sound like an expert. Once you sound like an expert, that builds trust. They're going to listen to you and you're going to have more meaningful conversations. AI is a tool to help make you more effective, more targeted at your role when you got to find new prospects.